Hi, I'm Barry with the $1.25 Dollar Tree glasses. I'm a retired electrician after 40 years. I took up quilting as a hobby. It has slowly, actually, fastly, is that a word? It has quickly become an addiction. Maybe some of you can relate. The purpose of this channel is to go out and find your passion. So it may not be quilting, but hopefully it is. It's a great hobby. And I just want to give you a recap of where I'm at. I've been working on another sewing room, so I'm going to cut away here and show you the progress of that room. All right, here is we got a new door. We got a green paint. We got to put some kills on to hide holes to patch. And hopefully within a few days, this is like a brand new room. All right, we got our first coat of paint on. It's drying. I got that hole is still to throw another coat on and patch. But hopefully in about 2 days, this room will be all painted and fairly ready to go. Probably 3 days. So that's it. It's coming along. No more green paint. Okay, hopefully I can get that room done in about 2 or 3 days, because when I tell you what I'm doing, hopefully you'll understand. If you've been following me at any time, you know that I've been working on a quilt. I was going to put it in the fair coming up here, and it is surprisingly, it's coming fast. So I've got to really hurry up and get it done. You know, I started doing my my Dresden quilt, and I started liking it so much that I thought, well, maybe I think the Dresden will have a better chance to win than the other quilt, but I'm still piecing on this Dresden, and it's probably going to take me a month or two to get it pieced together. And if I do it right, it's probably going to take 3 months. So I was like, that's not going to happen. So instead of sitting here doing this, I really need to get back and working on that. And I went to Walmart this weekend and bought this Minecraft fabric, and I was going to make my grandson a Minecraft quilt. I know very little. I don't think I've ever played Minecraft, so I didn't know what these characters were, but I found one, and my grandson says, that is, Minecraft Steve. So when I was in Paducah a couple weeks ago, I purchased Electric Quilt 8. I just started playing around with it, and I designed my own version of Minecraft Steve. So take a look at this, see what you think. So what I thought about doing was taking these and making like maybe 6-inch blocks. Do maybe this block, a white block, and then maybe alternate these fabrics, and then in the center do a large Minecraft Steve with those blocks and make a quilt. Having said that, and today is Cinco de Mayo, my son loves sriracha. Is that how you say that? Sriracha hot sauce. This was on clearance at Walmart, so I got 4 of these, and I thought about doing the same thing. And I thought maybe I'll applique a hot pepper and use the maybe 4 or 5 blades from the Dresden as the leaves for the top of the hot pepper. So I got all these ideals going on, and then it dawned on me, hey, this fair is coming up in less than a month and a half for the deadline, and I don't even have the thing pieced yet. I'm only 1 column left to piece, which I could probably do that in a night easily, but then I need to put it all together, then quilt it. So the reason I'm getting the other room done is if haven't followed me before, I just bought a long arm, which I haven't even tried yet, except for to turn it on to make sure it actually worked. And so the plan is, as soon as I get another one of these Husky work tables in, hopefully tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'm going to put that on there, put it in that room. So basically, in about 6 weeks, I'm going to have to piece that quilt together, learn how to use this long arm, and hopefully I can make some design out of it to quilt that looks presentable. But I really want to enter it, so regardless of how it turns out, I'm going to enter it. And I don't plan on winning. I hope that I win. I don't plan on winning, but I just want to have a quilt in a show, just to say that's mine. And then we can go from there. What I thought about doing is maybe this Dresden is that I looked, the cutoff for Paducah for next year is like in late October, early November of this year. So that would give me 6 months to piece this together and quilt it. That's still pretty tight, but you know, I ain't doing nothing else. It's just me and you. So let's maybe we can work on that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna finish that quilt, then work on this one, and then somewhere in the between throw in 4 other quilts. So when I first started quilting, I asked the question, how many quilts do most of you have going on? And I know several of you said you had several going on, and now I understand. I've got 5 quilts that I want to do and 3 that I'm working on, so I understand. But anyways, I just want to give you a quick update. There's no show and tell on my new long arm yet. Hopefully that'll be in a couple days. As soon as I get that room finished, as soon as I get my Husky work table in, and we'll move everything over there and see how it goes. I'll either tear it up or it'll tear me up, one of the two. So that's the way I figure. Remember, go out and make memories, because, you know, quilts are memories, and memories are what's most important. So I will see you later. Bye.